So before you dust, you always have to vacuum. If there's any type of furniture that's cloth, you always vacuum it first on the deep cleaning. Oh. When you're vacuuming, you always vacuum area rugs first before hard floors. Vacuum the window tracks. One of the things that is one of our handy dandy friends is a paintbrush. And that's what we're going to use to get inside the track to get all the bugs out. So, here we go. Then we're going to vacuum blinds. The reason, once again, we vacuum the blinds first is to get all of the top dust off, and it makes it easier. It's just more efficient to clean them. And that way, when we do actually use our product to sanitize and clean them, we're not just smearing mud all over the place. So now that these have been vacuumed, now we're going over them and cleaning them with the same product that we dust with. Once again, the industrial green. We nickname it IG. So I'll go over the slats one direction, but as you can see, this is why we vacuum first. No mud, and then I'll flip them, and then I do this side.